Hi, my name is Cara Carter. I'm the Executive Director of the Technology Division in Northwest ISD. One of the things that you're going to notice in the upcoming 2021 bond is Proposition D has a little bit over $19 million that specifically goes for student and staff devices. What you need to know is that this is specifically allocated for device refresh and for growth of new students and staff entering the district. Specifically, life cycle replacement has to do with the time that you have to refresh a device. In the technology world, most devices last approximately 5 years. So for our student Chromebooks, on average, we put those in our student hands and we don't need to replace them for 5 more years when they're no longer supported or when they become a security concern for the district. When you're part of a fast growth school district, it's really important that you have those funds set aside for when you need to replace the devices. For example, we don't go out and spend that money all at once because all of our devices, when you purchase a technology device, you expect it to last about 5 years in the hands of students and staff members. We typically purchase devices for the student growth for that upcoming year and for our staff growth that upcoming year. There's a lot more that goes into being in a one-to-one school district than just the devices. You can't just go buy the devices and put them in the hands of kids. There's a lot of background built into it. And we've been really fortunate in Northwest ISD that our community and that our school board really supports these innovative strategies, making sure that our students have access to the tools that they need to be successful.